Create sectional view. For that, go to the layout and here we have option to create sectional view. Inside create view tab, you can see the sectional view. Here we have a lot of options. The first one is full and half, offset, align, and from object. Like that, few options are available, mostly using full section. Select this full section and which object you are going to make section, select the to the object, and where you need to make the section, click the first point and the press. I just switch on this ortho mode so you will get it exactly straight like this, and I click the second point, and where you need to place you can place. You can see depends on your movement, it will change like this. I just click here and I click here approximately and enter. Now this is the section view with, you can see here hatch also you will get it. I select this text and click this point and you can place it like this. So this is very simple and easiest method. You can use this sectional view. Similar way you can use half and offset, align and from object, like that options also using. This also similar way, nothing big difference, so you can use it. This is the way to create section in AutoCAD 3D.